Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view old stories on our Facebook. And now let's dive right in. Now to view old stories on Facebook, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to view your old Facebook stories. Now from over here at the top left corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture just below the home icon. Tap on it and you will be on this kind of interface where you can see the three dotted icon just beside the 18 button of our profile over here, guys. Just beside the edit, tap on that three dotted icon, and over here you will find these options where you will be required to navigate on the archive, which is the third one. Tap on that archive, and over here at the top you can see there is the story archive. Tap on it, guys, and all of your stories will be available over here which you had posted in the past. And you guys, this is how you view your old stories on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment on the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.